Pull down the shades, let's kill the morning. Let's kill the morning, let it die. Well, your eyes flash out a warning, but there'll be another morning after afternoon and tonight. Fuck long hours, sick with singing, sick with singing the same songs in the bars. They'll soon be drinking. Let's cash my check and drink along. Old times, hello, hey, I've missed you. Old life, hey now, let me in, because you win on every issue. Now can I kiss you? Don't you care how long it's been? It has been so many years. I lived my yearning, but in every bed it led me through. They only blew on what was burning, and it grew. The fire grew, and now with nothing to consume, well, it's turned on me in my glass room, where I'll bet you think I'm finished, think I'm not winning. We'll go on, assume. So take me, I'm yours, morning starship. Sparkling stars line your lights as they lift off the loneliest street corner this clown has yet leaned against. I let all these fine faces fold into me, and walk from the space lights illumines the sea as the laughingest mouths wetly open. For we set them sighing, we'll take them flying, and we'll take this man left almost passed out, 'cause we're pretty sure he needs a hand. He says he can't stand, and when we pick him up, he asks us where this ship will land. But he knows, and we know it isn't coming down. He knows, we know we'll fly so far.
open up your folding chair next to me. My feet are buried in the sand, and there's a breeze. There's a shadow, you can't see my eyes. And the sea is just a wetter version of the skies. Let's get a silver bullet trailer and have a baby boy. I'll safety pin his clothes all cool, and you'll graffiti up his ties. I got a perfect body, but sometimes I forget I got a perfect body, 'cause my eyelashes catch my sweat. Yes, they do, they do. Sitting on this abandoned beach for years, waiting for the salty water to cover up my ears. But every time the tide come in to take me home, I get scared. Now I'm sitting here alone, dreaming of the dolphin song. But sweetly hold your hand till that day. Just please don't be so down, don't make frowns, you silly clown. Just come and open up your folding chair next to me. My feet are buried in the sand, and there's a breeze.